Hi all, welcome to my video. Today we are going to solve an SQL question, top streamers from the website Start Scratch. So the question is to list the top 3 users who accumulated the most sessions. Include only the user who had more streaming sessions than viewing. So we need to return the user ID, number of streaming sessions and number of viewing sessions. So a look at the table shows that the table contains user ID, session start, session end, session ID and session type. So what we need to do is we need to include the user who had more streaming session. That like session type has two types, one is streamer and another is viewer. So we need to get the number of streaming sessions and the number of viewing sessions for each user. That would be our first step, and with that then we need to get who had more overall total session time within the people who had more streaming sessions than viewing sessions. So let's do this. So first of all, what we do is we will select user ID, comma, we need to get the sum of case when session type equal to streamer, then 1, else 0, and we will save this as streaming count. Then what we need is we need the sum of case when session type is a viewer, then 1 else 0, and as viewing count, right? Then we need to group by need from. For that we need to write the from Twitch sessions group by user ID. So now we have the streaming count, the viewing count. One more thing what we need is we need to get the total session times. For that what we need to do is we need to get the sum of session end minus session start. Okay, so this should return us a so this is returning for each user ID total streaming count, total viewing count, and the sum of session time, the total of session time that they have done. So what we can do is with session data as, we will use a CTE by user ID. We will do select user ID streaming count, comma viewing count. Oh, the spelling of viewing is a little off. Let me correct it. Viewing count, viewing count from session data, where streaming count is greater than viewing count. So yeah, so this should give us the answer. I will make it more neat. From where with as. So I think that's it. Let's run this query. Run. Yeah, so we got the answer. We got, okay, so we need to limit by 3. Oh yeah, we need to order by streaming, not streaming count, order by this. I will save as total time. We will arrange sort this with total time in descending order, and we'll take the top 3. So I think this should work. Yeah, so now we know that user ID 673, all of these users has streaming count greater than viewing count, and they should have the maximum total times. Thank you.